This time I'm in Bangkok and I'll be here for 3 days and I'm staying at Ascott Sathorn. Upon check-in, they gave me a free upgrade to a 1-bedroom apartment and it is huge. So let's start the room tour. You enter, you will actually see a small kitchenette and there's also a washer and a dryer, fridge, microwave. So Ascott Sathorn is meant for long-term stays. That's why it's so fully equipped. And then you have the living area. And then further in, you have the bathroom. And you have all of your amenities that you need here. Toothbrush, cotton buds, and shower gel is right there. And when you exit the bathroom, you will see the bedroom. So this is how the bedroom looks like. It's really huge. And there you have it. There's also a nice big mirror for you to do your makeup in the morning and your skincare. And I think it's a really comfy stay for, 2 to 3. Well, maybe 3 is a bit tight. I guess the third person will have to sleep on the sofa. But it is huge. There's also a tray of snacks in the room. And they have coffee pots as well. Mocha. And what's this? Extra dark coffee. There is a coffee machine if you want to make coffee in the room. And they also provide soap detergent, really useful if you need to wash your cups. And one more thing which I was really impressed is that they actually give you laundry detergent as well in case you need to do your laundry if you're a short-term visitor or customer like me. So if I can find some time to do the laundry, I will. The hotel also provides lip balm, hand cream, skin lotion, and bath salts because there is a bathtub in the toilet. This is so cute. I tried the lip balm. It feels like Vaseline, which is okay. It works. I'm gonna go catch a bite to eat for dinner at the bistro, but it looks like it's closed. Anyways, here's the pool. It's nighttime now. Yeah, I think I might be too late to eat at the bistro. It's closed. It's only 8 p.m. though. Huh. Okay. Never mind. Let's enjoy the pool view. Okay, so I have confirmed it. The restaurant on the 7th floor is closed. So I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna head down to the restaurant on the ground floor instead. It's only 8 p.m. though. Why is it closed? Oh, you can see the BTS. The hotel is like 200 meters away from the BTS. Alright, I'm gonna go catch some dinner at the ground floor. I'm in the living area now, and that's the bedroom. So I had dinner downstairs at the ground floor hotel. I'm probably gonna order room service on maybe the last night. So there isn't really much of a view. I'm actually facing like the back of another building, but I can see the BTS station right there. The hotel is about 200 meters away from the BTS station, so if you're here on vacation, it makes it really easy to go around. show you guys the view again when it's morning tomorrow. Good morning. It is the next day in Bangkok, and this is how the view from the hotel room looks like. The security in this hotel is really good. Lots of tapping in and out. We are gonna head up for some breakfast.